On Sunday, we cooked up some of the steaks that we have from when we butchered our first cow. We covered them with some onions. We had green beans and baked potatoes. On Monday, we had homemade sliders on sourdough bread. Mine was topped with fresh garden tomatoes, an egg. I had some cucumbers and asparagus and fries on the side. We also had some broccoli from the garden and a variety of toppings that people could choose from. If you enjoy this content, will you quickly give us a thumbs up so we know to keep making it? And if you aren't subscribed already, do that right now. Tuesday was breakfast for dinner, open-faced sourdough egg sandwiches. Mine had some lettuce from the garden, some turkey bacon, some tomatoes. I also had a side of hash brown potatoes. Wednesday was a taco casserole. We crumbled up tortilla chips in a glass pan, topped it with taco meat and cheese and beans, and I put black olives in mine. It also had salsa with a side of rice. Everyone loves a good pasta night, and you know I put sauerkraut on top of mine. Plus we had sourdough garlic bread on the side. The best part about this meal was the homemade meatballs Bailey made. She also whipped us up some homemade Jell-O. It was so delicious. We have that recipe if you want it. We made on Friday sourdough grilled cheeses. They were so good. That is raw mozzarella cheese right from our cow, homemade sourdough bread, homemade chips, and a salad. Delicious. Give me some inspiration. What are you guys having for dinner this week?